Chinese artificial intelligence company DeepSeek is a wake-up call for the US tech industry.
A Chinese company should be a wake-up call for our industries that we need to be laser-focused on.
And the internet giant Alibaba is out with a new AI model of its own, which it claims outperforms DeepSeek's version 3.
DeepSeek can offer quick and comprehensive answers to your questions.
DeepSeek is already leading to a re-ranking in AI leadership.
Welcome to The Crew. I'm Sandesh, your go-to guide for all things productivity, mindfulness, and personal finance. If you want to stay ahead in the AI revolution, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. Today, we're diving into the ultimate AI showdown, ChatGPT versus DeepSeek. One is the reigning champion of AI chatbots and the other is the newest challenger in the game. But which one is actually better? Is DeepSeek the true ChatGPT killer or is OpenAI still the king of AI? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about what these AI models actually are. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is one of the most advanced AI chatbots, known for its human-like conversations, creative writing, and problem-solving abilities. Whereas DeepSeek, a new AI model developed by DeepSeek AI, focused on enhanced reasoning, better problem-solving, and handling complex mathematical and logical queries. The biggest question is, which one is smarter, more efficient, and more accurate? So let's find out. Alright, let's compare them side by side based on the most important factors. Number one, accuracy and knowledge base. ChatGPT has a massive training data set and is highly reliable for general knowledge, creative writing, and coding, but it sometimes hallucinates information. DeepSeek, trained on more complex logic and scientific research, it claims to be better at math, coding, and reasoning-based tasks. Winner? If you need logical accuracy, then DeepSeek might have the edge. Number two, performance and speed. ChatGPT, quick response time, but sometimes struggles with longer complex prompts. DeepSeek, faster on logical and mathematical problems, but not as conversational as ChatGPT. Winner? For casual conversation, ChatGPT. For deep reasoning, DeepSeek. Number three, creativity and content generation. ChatGPT, excellent at storytelling, poetry, and idea generation. Ideal for content creators, marketers, and writers. DeepSeek, more structural but less creative. Great for factual writing but not as good as thinking outside the box. Winner, ChatGPT dominates in creative content. Number four, coding and problem solving. ChatGPT, good at coding but sometimes makes errors in complex programming tasks. DeepSeek focuses on logical reasoning and accurate code generation, handles complex math and engineering questions better. Winner, DeepSeek for logic-based tasks, but ChatGPT for general coding help. Number five, accessibility and cost. ChatGPT available for free, but GPT-4 requires a paid subscription, which is around $20 per month. DeepSeek currently free, but this may change as it evolves. Winner, DeepSeek is free for now, but ChatGPT has more accessibility options. So which AI should you use? If you need creative writing, storytelling, and marketing content, then ChatGPT wins. Advanced math, logic, and structured problem solving, DeepSeek is your best bet. It all depends on what you need. AI is evolving faster than ever. What seemed like sci-fi just 5 years ago is now a reality sitting in our pockets. But here's the real question. Where is AI headed next? What's next for ChatGPT? OpenAI has already teased GPT-5, rumored to be the most advanced AI yet. We can expect even more human-like conversations, better factual accuracy, improved real-time reasoning. Some experts believe GPT-5 could have multi-model capabilities, meaning it could understand and generate text, images, audio, and maybe even videos. What's next for DeepSeek? DeepSeek AI is gaining traction fast. While it started as a challenger, it's already making waves in the AI world. DeepSeek's future goals: advanced problem solving for research and STEM fields, more precise AI-driven data analysis, potential multilingual improvements. And here's the big one. DeepSeek could expand the AI-powered tools for businesses to rival ChatGPT's API integrations. Now comes question of the decade. Will AI replace humans? Some experts say yes. AI is already replacing content writers, customer support, and even software engineers in some cases. But others argue no, because AI still lacks emotional intelligence, creativity, and real-world decision-making skills. The truth, AI won't replace you. but someone using AI definitely will. So the best move, learn AI, use it, and stay ahead of the curve. Now here's the question for you. Which AI do you think is better? Do you use ChatGPT daily, or are you willing to switch to DeepSeek? Comment below. I'll be reading all your thoughts and replying to the most interesting ones. And if you want more deep dives into AI, productivity, and technological innovations, make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. See you in the next one. Stay curious, stay unstoppable.